Hello guys, we are in a spray zone that I've never been in before, so that is cool. We are in SW21 and we just saw him just over here, just like 10 seconds ago, and we parked here. It's actually been a minute now, but when we first saw him here, and he's over here. I can hear him. Here he is. Here he is. Here he is. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Hello. Been a long time. You're glad?
Yeah, because you said you guys were over at Gulf High School.
Yeah, we were actually at the corner. Then I'm like, I'm tired of sitting here, Ernie. And I was like, how about if you go down over there? And I'm like, he's like, no, so he didn't. And now I'm just like, you know what? And then we saw you spraying over there, and then we could turn over here, so.
Did you get to meet JT?
Yeah, he had some passenger. At first, Daddy said, that's a kid. And I'm like, oh, it better not, because I was kind of jealous if it was like some
JT's not
kid.
A kid. He's
No, like if it was a kid, I would have been like, no fair, he can ride in there. And
I wouldn't do that to you.
yeah, and
You're first on the list if that ever happens.
and it's raining, which sucks, but
Yeah, we can spray as long as the rain isn't
Powerful.
overpowering us. Like, as long as we keep our wipers at 2 notches, 2 clicks on the dial here, we can spray it.
oh.
But if the rain is too much for that, we need to stop spraying.
We're headed to SW19 and 18 too, but I don't know.
18 you probably won't catch him because that's a really long zone and they're pretty. It's a pretty weird zone too. So it's hard.
Like,
to get it.
who's spraying in 18? Because I still want to go there. I never been to that one.
Chris Bono's in 18.
Oh. And
Chris won't stop.
and who is 19?
19 is
Hope it's Jason. I want to see him.
downtown Newport Richie King.
Oh, that's 19?
Yeah.
Yes, now I can go over there.
Jason's up in Fairway Oaks and Parkwood Acres, so he's in
Green Key.
He's in NW09 right
Oh.
now. And then let's spray a little chunk of it.
I really want to see Kane, but he doesn't have to stop. He just
Kane's
can't.
in downtown Newport Richie.
Yeah,
He'll probably stop for you.
Yeah, 19. I remember.
JT and Kirk are actually out in Green Key tonight and they're training.
Wait,
so
what? Wait, what?
JT and Kirk are riding in the same truck. They're in Green Key tonight.
Is JT a new guy? Oh.
This is his second night.
Oh, so that's why he has the passengers.
Yeah. So
That's gonna happen to me when I.
about a week and a half of orientation. And,
I wish I could have you when I drive.
well, maybe you will, because I won't have been here long enough.
I was hoping this would be 86, but it's all right.
87. As you can tell, it's a lot higher pitch now.
Yeah.
Somebody adjusted the throttle and the choke gets messed around with.
Oh yeah.
It's a lot louder.
I'm so glad I got this on camera. Have you seen Truck 84 Machine Run?
Yeah.
That is an amazing piece of footage. Very good. I like it a lot.
Your ears?
No, did not at all. It was loud. It was as loud as like kind of little more higher loudness than fire alarms, but I could take it.
You want to know where I'm going next?
No.
We're right here.
But wait, you're going over there
Going
next.
over here.
Oh,
You
yeah.
get a lot of good video of me in here because it's just like this. It's got big street lights everywhere.
Yeah. Well, then we won't go to 18, but we'll go to 19. Yeah.
Okay.
Mosquito Truck 59, I remember I think that was the first footage I got of 87, because if you remember, there was this guy, we were going, there he was, and then all of a sudden he turns off the machine, and then we drive over, he's over there, and then he's like checking his paperwork, and then Ernie goes over there, and he just ignored us. So
if you want to get footage of it, I'll be.
I probably won't, because I really want to see Kane also. So.
Yeah, I'm just saying you probably won't stop because downtown Newport Ridge is a big run.
He will or not?
He probably will.
Oh, I thought you said yes, he will.
I can stop if I got time here, but at the same time,
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm going to get another rain delay, so I should probably get more.
Is 87 the highest pitch machine?
Probably. It all depends
Oh
on
my
the
god,
problem.
I just got a mosquito.
Okay, I better redo it like that.
Yeah, but I told you, I gave you a break. I was...
You don't have to worry about having to be a stop all stop.
I wanted to
I'll
give
be
you...
able to stop for a longer period of time than other nights.
I wanted to give you a break anyways, because you stopped all the way until Mosquito Truck 12, which was the first footage of you.
So that's cool.
Yeah, but, at least we
Alrighty,
found
dude.
you. Alright.
You uploaded a bunch of videos a couple days
Yeah.
ago, right?
Do you really like that Truck 84 machine run?
I'd like to see if you got some videos of this thing coming down the street, because I want to see how it sounds from the outside. It really echoes in there.
I also, what was really cool is that I got the camera really close to the nozzle, and I did that for entertainment because you said that that's what really is making the noise, the nozzle. So someday with that Truck 84 machine run like I did with Truck 84, I wish I could do it with Truck 87 one day.
Alrighty, dude. You gotta get going.
Alright. I'll see you later.
Yeah, buddy.